is actually Tyler. I'm here today at British Hair Clinic. The main issue with my hair is when the wind blows, it just goes all over the place. Yeah, Nicole's one of my good friends.
I am his go-to, so he keeps going for months. I want a hair transplant. So I just researched and found this clinic. They were the best, weren't they? They had really good reviews.
Yeah.
I'd spoken to a few people that have been here and they said that they are really good.
It's about time. I'm not getting no younger. It's about time I need to get my hair done. Well, after being offered a free treatment in Turkey, basically I decided for the money I'm better off going more of a local company, so that it is local enough for me to come here whenever I want for the aftercare. So the final stages are completed now. If anyone was looking to get their hair transplant done, I would highly recommend British Hair Clinic.